Precision temperature control. More efficient engine operation. Faster engine warm-up. Fewer emissions. Better fuel economy. The premium thermostat incorporates an all-stainless steel construction, larger heat motor and larger spring to provide superior performance. Top reviews from the United States. Keeps classic Pontiacs running cool. I run the 160-degree version on all my classic Pontiacs. This is the best I have found. If you go to the Gates website, you can find the correct part number for your car, order it here on Amazon and get it in 2 days. Gates equals high quality and performance.